Hi everyone, this is Dr. Priya Rohan, your mental health specialist and a clinical hypnotherapist. I'm here once again with a question and answer session. Again, I got an email from one of my YouTube follower. So I'll be reading that question and then I'll get into this video, okay? He wrote me, "Hello doctor, I'm an engineer by profession. I'm going through lots of stress both in professional and personal life these days. My friends and family are trying to help me by talking to me and trying to counsel me. It's not helping me. What should I do? Shall I take a professional help?" So yeah, this is a very interesting question indeed. So first you have to understand that what is a mental health disorder or what is depression and what is anxiety. That's very important to know, you know. If there is some chemical reaction going on inside your brain that causes depression, anxiety or any mental health disorder. So when a psychiatrist or a psychologist is seeing you, like a doctor's mental health professionals is seeing you, they prescribe you medicine in depression. So now you have to understand, why would a psychiatrist prescribe a medicine? If depression, if you think it's a thinking disorder, why would a doctor prescribe a medicine to you? Because it, you know, helps your in that chemical reaction inside the brain. So understanding mental health disorder is very important. And you know, these mental health professionals like us, the doctors who become a psychiatrist, they go through, you know, they go through their medical school, then go through their MD, then they become a psychiatrist. The psychologists, they do their PhD. The mental health professionals, they get a lot of degrees, they studies a lot, you know, till they get their PhD, they studies a lot. So you know, if a normal person, they think, you know, they can talk better, just by talking better, mental health disease doesn't get help. So there is a difference between a counseling and talking. Yeah, if you're feeling low, you can talk to your friend, that might help you. But if there is a chemical reaction going on inside your brain, just talking won't help you. Many people do this kind of mistakes. You know, especially in developing countries, they don't take mental health seriously. They think, okay, just by talking. Even I've seen people, like, they just, you know, they talk to you and they throw your opinion, like what they think. They talk all about that. But counseling has a technique. Like all the mental health professionals, when they study, they go through that process, you know, they learn that techniques. It's not just talking, you know. It's like you know a doctor who is properly trained from a good medical school, and you know a quack who has some basic knowledge of medicine, and the quack is telling you, you know, I can give you the same idea of medicine what your doctor, what will GP will prescribe, because I have this idea of medicine. Would you go to that quack? You answer me, would you go there? Because he's a quack, he has this idea of medicine, but he doesn't know that what are the effects, side effects, and all the pharmacology, anything. He doesn't know anything. So what's the difference between a trained doctor and a quack? The same way, when you are going to a mental health professionals, they know what to do with you. They know their profession, because they're professionals. They have invested so many years in their studies, in their degrees. You know, these degrees are expensive as well. It's not that it comes easily. So you have to understand, when you don't give up your physical health on any quack, why would you give your mental health on unprofessional people? That you need to understand. See, it doesn't matter where you're from, where you stay. It matters your intelligence. It matters how you use your brain for the betterment of your health or betterment of your personality or your mental health. So you are questioning me that it's not helping. How would it help? Like if you have a fever and you go to your, you know, that people who are not doctors, they will not able to diagnose you. That what's your problem? People will advise you many things, have this thing and that or those, and you know, many things. So for any kind of physical conditions, when you take a professional help, for a mental health conditions, you should take a professional help, because otherwise it will not help your mental health. Counseling is a technique. Counseling is not talking. I keep telling in all my videos, generally take care of your mental health. You know, it's not good to take mental health for granted. It's not good that if you are good in talking, it's not good to put someone's health at risk. You know, if suppose some person, they love talking, so they are thinking, okay, you know, he or she is in depression, I can talk to them, that will help, but that doesn't help. Putting someone's life at risk, it's not good. It cannot be good, you know. Our normal layman should understand that just by talking cannot stop a suicide, cannot, you know, heal a mental health disorder. They can't do that. So I have to understand. I'm repeatedly telling it's not good. I have seen even many people, they make videos, they're not even professionals, they don't have authority to make that videos, but they do that. They talk about mental health. Only they talk about their life. See, there is a difference. My life is different, your life is different, everybody's life is different. You can take inspiration from others' life, but you cannot follow others' life. So it's not advisable, like, putting your own thoughts on someone else. Like what we do in counseling or in psychotherapy, we don't put our thoughts on you or on our patients. We tell what has to be told. So it's not that I'm putting my, that thought process on my patients. No, it shouldn't be the case. And any mental health professionals, they never give you any advice. They always do these suggestive talks, because giving advice is a total no-no in mental health counseling. It's always advisable for, going for suggestions. I can give you suggestions, but I cannot advise you. So the laymen, they don't understand the difference between a suggestions and advice. They talk, they think, okay, we know, we can talk, and I can, show my counseling talent on other people. And that's dangerous, because by doing that, they're putting someone's life at risk. Because if somebody is having any kind of suicidal thoughts, you should always tell them to take a professional help. Treating by yourself or giving that person that, that layman counseling, it's like putting that person's life at risk, like you are, sending someone to a quack. It's not good. It cannot be good. So I request and I hope, please understand, please take my video in a positive way, so that next time if someone's, find that their mental health not in right space, you can give them advice to get this right professional help. That's the reason professionals are studying so much. That's the reason. Everything has a reason. They get these degrees, or there is many, this licensing involved, because it requires many things. It's not that, you're just putting a degree before your name and you are just talking to a person. No, it's not like that, because mental health is a very serious issue, and this kind of, even in this generation, mental health is a major issue everywhere. So if you take your mental health seriously, you can go through it and you will have a healthy life. That, getting away of the fear is very important. So I would even congratulate you, so that you wrote to me. Somehow you felt that it's not right, it's not helping you, so you wrote to me, yes, you should take a professional help, and please take a professional help, so that you can be in the right mental health, and you can get relieved of your mental health disorder. And I would love to hear from you after you take a professional help, that how are you feeling and all the details. So give me the feedback, and thank you for sending me this question. I really appreciate, because this question has a lot of importance. Many people need to know this. So I would request everyone, please do not be a, just you can talk, so do not be this counselor to the people. It's not good. Don't put others' life at risk. And it's a request to all of you. All of you, don't just put yourself, if you are not a professional, don't put yourself as a professional and talk about mental health and give counseling. No, you cannot talk about your life. You can talk about your life, but you cannot talk about your thoughts and put that thoughts on someone else. That's not good, and it should not be there. Okay, so thank you. And yes, and I hope to get more this kind of interesting questions, so that it see my answer, I think it's not only helping you, it will be helping many people who have the same kind of questions. So these sessions are this initiation of helping the society, because many people doesn't have clear idea about mental health. So it's an initiative of helping the society as well. So thank you so much, and I hope and I pray that you be in the right mental health and be safe. And like I say, if you like my video, you know the drill. Subscribe my channel and like my channel, and do share my videos, and love you all. Thank you.